The new SAP Certified, SAP SuccessFactors, Career Development Planning and Mentoring exam has changed. Memorizing features is no longer enough. You'll be evaluated through AI role plays where you're expected to solve real implementation scenarios under pressure. If you're preparing for this certification as an SAP SuccessFactors implementation consultant, this video will show you how these practical scenarios work and the skills you need to configure career development planning and mentoring with confidence. The exam tests your ability to perform real implementation tasks, not just recall documentation. In the real SAP exam, you'll solve problems like the one you're about to see. Let's begin your first consultant role play. Scenario 1. Configure Career Worksheet. A customer wants employees to view career paths, target roles, and recommended competencies inside the Career Worksheet. Question: as the implementation consultant, how would you configure this requirement? Answer: begin by reviewing the customer's career development objectives and confirming which roles should be available. Configure the Career Worksheet template and enable the required permissions. Map competencies, development goals, and target roles to ensure employees receive meaningful career guidance. Validate that career paths display correctly for different employee populations before deployment. Cross-question. The customer reports that employees cannot see suggested target roles. What should you check first? Cross. Answer: verify role-based permissions, Career Worksheet configuration, template assignments, and whether the relevant job role data has been maintained correctly. Exam tip: always validate permissions before assuming a configuration issue. Scenario 2. Configure mentoring program. An organization wants to launch a mentoring program for future leaders across multiple business units. Question: how would you implement this solution? Answer: create the mentoring program and define participant eligibility. Configure mentor and mentee matching criteria based on organizational requirements. Establish application workflows, approval processes, and communication settings. Perform testing with representative users before rolling out the program. Cross-question. Executives want different mentoring programs for separate business divisions. How should you approach this? Cross-answer. Create separate mentoring programs with independent eligibility rules, matching criteria, and administrative ownership while maintaining consistent governance. Exam tip: business requirements should always drive program design, not technical convenience. If these scenarios feel like actual consulting work, that's because the new SAP certification is designed that way. To practice more AI roleplay scenarios similar to the real exam, visit pass4success.com, where you'll find updated SAP practice questions, realistic simulations, flashcards, revision notes, and timed mock exams. Now let's continue with another real implementation challenge. Scenario 3. Development goal. Configuration. A customer wants development goals automatically aligned with employee competencies and future career aspirations. Question: how would you configure this solution? Answer: enable development goal functionality within career development planning. Associate competencies with development goals and configure suggested learning and development activities. Ensure employees and managers can collaboratively update goals throughout the performance cycle. Validate reporting and visibility across different organizational roles. Cross-question. Employees can create goals, but managers cannot review them. What is your first troubleshooting step? Cross-answer. Review role-based permissions, goal visibility settings, and workflow configuration before investigating additional system settings. Exam tip: many exam questions begin with permission validation because it is often the root cause. Scenario 4. Career development implementation. A customer is implementing career development planning for the first time and wants a smooth deployment. Question: what implementation approach would you recommend? Answer: start by gathering detailed business requirements from HR and business stakeholders. Configure templates and permissions according to agreed business processes. Conduct integration and user acceptance testing. Deliver administrator and end-user training before production deployment. Monitor adoption after go-live and refine configurations based on business feedback. Cross-question. During testing, HR requests several additional features that were not part of the original scope. What should you do? Cross-answer. Assess the business impact. Document the requested changes, discuss them with stakeholders, and determine whether they should be included in the current implementation or scheduled for a future phase. Exam tip: SAP consultants are expected to balance customer requirements with project governance. Today, you completed 4 implementation scenarios covering Career Worksheet configuration, Mentoring Program implementation, Development Goal configuration, Career Development Planning deployment. These are the kinds of practical skills SAP expects in the new AI role-play exam format. To continue your preparation, explore our complete SAP certification playlist for more hands-on scenarios and step-by-step implementation walkthroughs. For realistic practice questions, AI role-play simulations, flashcards, revision notes, and full-length mock exams aligned with the latest certification, visit pass4success.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest SAP SuccessFactors training and certification content. We'll see you in the next training session.